And I saw thrones, and they sat upon them, and judgment was given unto them. And I saw the souls of them that were beheaded for the witness of Jesus and for the word of God, and which had not worshipped the beast, neither his image, neither had received his mark upon their foreheads or in their hands. And they lived and reigned with Christ 1,000 years.
I'm one of the Masons of Turning Point USA.
Excuse me?
I'm one of the Masons of Turning Point USA.
Excuse me?
By the way, this is my other problem with death penalty. It takes too long, too many
Too
appeals.
expensive.
It should be public, it should be quick, it should be televised.
Well, this can't be right, can it? The last execution in France was guillotine in 1977.
100% true. They used the guillotine.
Until
the whole way.
77?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
There's videotape of it.
Honestly, that's like what we should be doing, and I agree. It should be public
And
should be public
televised.
square.
By the way, you could
force
fund the
kids
government
to watch it.
You could have like brought to you by Coca-Cola. And no, I'm not kidding. I would totally tune in to see some pedo get their head chopped off. I want to watch that execution. That'll make my day better. Boom. End of life. That'll make my day better. And they say, today we're going to publicly execute this person. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Boom. End of life. They should
And
make
it's not
you
even
eat
sad.
bran. It should also be
The
taken
meaning.
in a holy way. This is heavy. It should be a heavy thing.
No, the absolute
I think at a
opposite.
certain age.
The
Well,
absolute
I think at a
opposite.
certain age, it's an initiation. I think at a certain age, it's an initiation. You should see it. What is the age? At what age should you start to see public executions?
16.
I think you could do it earlier. I think you maybe at age 12.
Whenever-
like 6th grade or so. Age 12.
Whenever-
Like 6th grade or so. You are a person, they're old enough to you don't need to like really wallow in it and have them be broken on a wheel or anything. But if it was something like chopping, if we had a guillotine or something, age 12.
Whenever-
like 6th grade or so.
You could have like brought to you by Coca-Cola. That'll make my day better.
The greatest example of love is to kill those traitors so others learn never to do it.
We need to hold people for treason, start having some public hearings, and start executing people who are found guilty for their treasonous acts against the Constitution of the United States of America, just like they did back in 1776.
There should be military tribunals taking place right now, and people should be arrested for high treason that's been committed at the highest levels of government. Well, personally, I think a firing squad would just be great. Just put them all there, stick them up against a wall and take them out.
What does a modern day militia look like? Because if you're like me, you see these godless commies and you're like, I want to shoot them in the face. But because you're like me and you're a law-abiding patriot, you're not going to do that because that's illegal. Or is it?
I'm one of the Masons of Turning Point USA.
Excuse me?
I'm one of the Masons of Turning Point USA.
Excuse me?
And when he had opened the fifth seal, I saw under the altar the souls of them that were slain for the word of God and for the testimony which they held. And they cried with a loud voice, saying, How long, O Lord, holy and true, dost thou not judge and avenge our blood on them that dwell on the earth? And there was war in heaven. Michael and his angels fought against the dragon, and the dragon fought and his angels, and prevailed not, neither was their place found any more in heaven. And the great dragon was cast out, that old serpent called the devil and Satan, which deceiveth the whole world. He was cast out into the earth, and his angels were cast out with him. And they overcame him by the blood of the Lamb, and by the word of their testimony, and they loved not their lives unto the death. Therefore rejoice, ye heavens, and ye that dwell in them. Woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea, for the devil is come down unto you having great wrath, because he knoweth that he hath but a short time. When he had opened the fifth seal, I saw under the altar the souls of them that were slain for the word of God and for the testimony which they held. And they cried with a loud voice, saying, How long, O Lord, holy and true, dost thou not judge and avenge our blood on them that dwell on the earth?
Must condemn racism,
bigotry, and white supremacy. These sinister ideologies must be defeated. Hate has no place in America. Hatred warps the mind, ravages the heart, and devours the soul. We have asked the FBI to identify all further resources they need to investigate and disrupt hate crimes and domestic terrorism, whatever they need. In one voice, our nation must condemn racism, bigotry, and white supremacy.